Yes, I do. Let's come.
So, you do? Yeah, I do. I do like Valentine's Day precisely.
Yes, I know.
Okay, because my dad was born on Valentine's Day.
Yes, because I'm just a girl. Hopeless romantic, that kind of. But I know because bad experiences and all of that. Yeah.
My dad's birthday, and it's just amazing. I love him.
Okay, it's a day that embodies like thoughts and actions that should continue throughout the year. But it's just a day that's like it condenses all together, yes.
It's a day of love.
Valentine's Day is a day where you celebrate the connection of humanity in terms of love, friendship. You appreciate relationships with individuals, your loved ones, your friends, your family, everybody.
Well, Valentine's Day is a day whereby we, appreciate. Well, we get connected with our loved ones. We show at the moment on that day we're actually present with the person we love. We're actually present with the person we cater for, we care for.
I guess every day is about love, yes, but like it's just a day dedicated to expressing how you feel about someone. It's like a birthday, like showing your love for the person. Yes, a birthday for love.
And it's just a normal day. Actually, just that we've seen people beating each other and everything. I've never experienced that, so it's just a normal day for me.
God. First of all, we're going to book like the most aesthetic venue, mats, covers, pizza, ice cream, small chops, games, journaling, music, karaoke, gummies, sweets. Such a fan of candy. Just this kind of stuff.
Probably watch a movie, have ice cream.
What was the movie?
Well, I love food too, number one. Sorry. All right, so we will have a little get together whereby we'll talk about each other, like our personality, what do we like about ourselves, what we don't like, and areas we can best improve our relationships with each other. And of course, there must be food and merriment.
On campus, bro. I was going as an example. Bro, we can try to go to a Greek field, play math, do some sort of games, and eat, have fun, play together, and talk about boys' life.
Boys' life.
Yeah, boys' life. We have a life as well.
Okay, now.
Boys' life.
You have to cut that part out. I guess just a picnic or
Please, Amala dates. You know this bubblegum pregnancy dates. Yeah.
that makes sense.
Now.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It's not even. That's not even what it's about for me.
Nah, come on. Nah, it's not about romantic love. It's not about romantic love. This generation. So why am I saying this generation? Nowadays, people have seen Valentine's to be a day whereby couples or people in relationship will just people that are single too self can enjoy fun. Like people that are single self, they can enjoy the importance of this day, the Valentine's Day.
No.
I spent Valentine's with my sister. Most times.
Not on my bed, but I don't think it's.
No, it's not about romantic love.
So, what do you think?
It's a day to celebrate our loved ones. So whether you have a romantic love or you don't, your family is someone you love, your cousins are someone you love, your friends are someone you love. It's a time to spend time with the person you care for, you cater for, you have a connection.
No. It's about love generally, just expressing how much you care for someone or people.
Everywhere is red because you'll be seeing touch of red every day. That on Valentine's Day you will see a touch of red everywhere. So I just love that color thingy and people sharing gifts with each other. That's also good.
My sister.
Knowing that there are people who love.
Okay, my favorite thing about Valentine's Day is that at that day everyone is present at the moment, so there is no distraction. Everyone is taking out time to hear what the next person has to say. Everyone is taking out time to be with the other person, to connect with the other person. Everyone is taking out time to know the other person better, to share emotions, to share feelings, to share
Chocolates.
And the part.
No.
That was my favorite part.
No, you can't make me feel bad about my life. Chocolates all the way.
Oh yes, I love solitude so much. It's just
Yes, I do that. Yeah. I'm a fan of it.
Yes. Why not?
And what will you do on the day?
I don't believe in that. I believe I just went out, sitting out, dates.
I believe in it though. I can watch a movie. I can eat alone. Just take a walk.
It's nice, but I still don't call it a date. You are just going out. It's fun.
Yeah, I mean, I find it fun. It's nothing bad with it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
it's not love at first sight. It's lust at first sight. It's attraction. It's not love.
Love at first sight. It happens. Like you see someone, first time attraction, you're like, oh, based on appearance, so maybe this person's looking good or smelling nice. Like it happens, but I don't think most relationships should be based on love at first sight. Like this is not some K-drama thing here. Like let's be sincere. I mean, but I just feel it's good, but relationships should not be based on love at first sight.
Personally, I feel like I say love at first sight is probably like attraction at best. I don't think it's love. Probably no.
I believe like it's like probably like an ember that is eventually has to be fanned to flame. People that say I love you at first sight, it's not just you saw the person and fell in love. You saw the person and they started thinking and they started meditating, as the case may be.
But movies lie. I will not die for somebody I just met.
Love at first sight. Well, I mean, you get attracted. We are actually social beings, so we get attracted to someone we see at first sight. So
Love.
yeah,
Love. Like
love at first. Oh, you see the person first and you love the person. Well, I've actually fallen a victim of that too. But then I would just say be how it works, So I try to say just be careful. I mean, just take things easy. Don't stress yourself. Don't.
There's no such thing. In my opinion, there's no such thing. It's just
I don't believe in
you
it.
meeting someone and then you're attracted to the person. You can't tell me you just met someone and then you love the person. You don't even know my middle name.
Love is a strong word.
Exactly, love is quite a strong word. Just say, oh, I love you.